Okay, here we are. 2nd of March, welcome to the Daily Investment Show. So we're having a bit of a party over here in the channel. Good day for us. You can join us, $10 a month, that's all it takes. ASX US ETFs, shares. Anyway, on to ASX 300. So it looks like we're going to take new highs. So we just need the financial sector. So we expect a bit of a pullback, but it doesn't look like it's going to fall over. Probably just consolidate for a little bit and then see if they can have a run. The materials sector is going off, so that's why we're having a party. So materials is good. If you've been listening, talking about the switch, maybe if you do the right symbol, Rudy. So switch the materials for financials. So we're going to continue to outperform. So you want to be out of financials and into materials, or another option is the energy sector. It's done well today, so we'll have a look at the energy price, oil price, and the same thing, the switch from energy from financials to energy. Get the ASX one. So the energy is going to start to outperform the financials too. So plenty of options, and the gold miners, they continue their giddy up. Gold miners over the financials. So over 130% outperformance. The gold miners, the real banks. Our tech sector, XIJ, I think it's trying to eke out a bottom. We'll have a look at the American software index for clues. China. So China is still not a buy. America. So America's just doing nothing, pretty boring. Materials over the S&P 500. So again, if you had a materials focus out of the S&P, you'd be up. The Nasdaq, pretty boring, and that's because it needs these guys, the mags, the Magnificent Seven, to fire up. I can't see them crashing, and I can't see them ripping, and that's this guy, the big guy, Nvidia. So he looks pretty boring too. So nothing exciting happening there. In terms of the software sector over in America, so you can see it looks a lot like our ATEC really. So that looks like it's putting a bottom in, so that'll be positive for our local tech. The financial index in America, so you need that to hold on for the share market. XLE, the energy sector in America. So obviously this is Friday, so tonight I'd say that would be opening a lot higher. Healthcare sector over in America is looking pretty good. So it's the XLV, healthcare. The mid caps, just chilling. The mid caps over the S&P 500. So they're taking a little bit away from the S&P, but not a lot. Your super fund. So your super fund since 27th October has done nothing. If you had your super fund with a materials bent, your super fund will be looking better. So we've got our model share portfolio in Aus Super. They're up 20% the last 12 months. Or we've got our model ETF portfolio of ASX and US ETFs. It's up 125% last 12 months and doesn't look like dropping. VGS is boring, although Livewire said to buy it, so it must be good. XMJ, so materials over VGS, so you don't want to be, and even to the point where VAS over VGS, so you don't even want to be in VGS. VAS is outperforming, and I expect that to continue. Interest rates, so 1 year at 4.14. US 1 year rates, so they're just chilling, no direction really. The US dollar, so it still looks more bullish than bearish. The Aussie dollar, so we're just gonna chill out here at this resistance level, wait for direction from the USD, I'd say. Our Bible, this is your Bloomberg Commodity Index, so it's making all the right moves. Gold, so gold's good, liking gold, probably like it more than oil. So Aussie dollar gold, Livewire said that's a sell, so just do the opposite, I think, of them. Gold over the Nasdaq, so interesting. So the Nasdaq has been outperforming. You've got this lovely rounded bottom, so just holding gold, you're going to outperform the Nasdaq. Bitcoin, so Bitcoin's a bit like the software sector, trying to eke out a bottom. The girlfriend, silver, so she's just chilling. That's fine. That's all. Nice green candle. That's all she needs to do. Chinese silver price in US dollars, so 108. So the premium, so it's back up $14. So they're paying more for their silver over in China still. Platinum, so that's fine, on its way up. Palladium looks better than platinum. Copper, so a bit of resistance levels here, that's fine, just chill a bit, so that's right. Oil, so I'll do a weekly chart. So oil's, so it's got this resistance level here around 75, 77. I reckon it's probably a good buying opportunity down if you can find a bottom somewhere around here. A lot of our oil stocks jumped today. It wasn't a good buying day, so maybe tomorrow. So oil over the S&P 500. So just holding oil is outperforming the S&P 500. Iron ore. So iron ore looks like it's making a bottom. The big one today, lithium. You actually can't, this is the price up here. So it's gapped up 25%, lithium. So hopefully you got some lithium stocks. Uranium. So it's not a very well traded, heavily traded market, uranium, but that's fine. Newcastle thermal coal, looking great. Nickel looking great. Aluminium looking good. Bauxite. Rin tin tin. Look at that for a candle. Manganese. I reckon, so this is obviously going to be the next one. There's a couple of good manganese miners we can buy. And soybeans. So soybeans are breaking out, and wheat is breaking out. So you can actually buy these ETFs in the US. All right, that's today's investment wrap. As I said, join the channel, $10 a month, and we're having fun. All right, see you tomorrow.